Dry Your Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here. Well, calling all Seahawk fans in the United States, this one's for you. I'm so excited to bring you this video. This video is going to be chock full with a bunch of the new products coming out of Just For You Online UK, which you're going to be able to find in my store if you're in the US. I did use the square silicone mold to create these, which are also available in my store. I really hadn't done much with them yet, and I wanted to try them out, and I thought, what's a better time than to use some new products than use a mold I've never used before. So as you can see, these two look a little bit different, and I'm going to walk you through my process of each. I'm going to be using the new Supreme White, which I'm opening right here. I'm so excited about these pigments. You get 100 grams in a jar, so you get a ton, and you only need a little bit, less than 10% ratio to your resin. And this is the Hawaiian Blue. And when I looked at these two colors, I just thought, man, our Seahawk glitter would be really pretty with these two pigment pastes. And I also am going to be using a Peacock green from Laura's Expressions, which I got from Laura's Art Corner, and you can find that down in the description. These square silicone molds are a really nice size, as you can see there. They are just over 5 by 5 inches or 13 by 13 centimeters. I'm using the new resin from Just For You Online UK, not the heat resistant, but the epoxy resin. I wasn't planning on using these as functional coasters. This was more to play, have a good time with, and they're such a nice size that really you could use them, make them little mini pieces of artwork as well. Using the silicone stick there that I mentioned in other videos to move the resin around. You can find the kit that I got these silicone sticks in the description below. All of the products and tools I use can be found in the description. I do have an Amazon store that is linked down there. And I do have my www.dryyourdaysartstudio.com store where you can find all the Just For You Online UK products, as well as some other goodies. At the time that I am publishing this video, the resin and the pigments should be launching any day, and I will have those in my store. So if you're watching this a couple weeks or months from when I publish this, you can go over and find them in my store. But if you're watching this live on Thursday, October 3rd, it may be 1 more or 2 more days. With this coaster, I wanted more just an abstract, kind of drizzling it, all the pigments all over the place, no real rhyme or reason. But the one on the right, I did want to do more kind of diagonal lines with the pigments and the colors, and you'll see that here in a second. Super excited about this product right here. This is the Premium Perfect Cells that you can add to your resin. You can either do 1 or 2 drops into your pigmented cups or apply some immediately on the surface, as I just did here, to achieve cells, some lacing. We're seeing some nice separation going on here. Really did some cool stuff with the premium cells in both of these pieces, which you can see as they are all done. Again, I'll show them completed at the end of the video again so you can see. using another silicone stick to move everything around so that I don't scratch the surface of my silicone mold. And here they are about 24 hours later. I used very, very little heat on these. Definitely did not need a torch. Do not recommend using a torch near any silicone molds. Look at how pretty. In this one, along the edges, the sides, you can see the white and really how those premium cells affected the white. And again, all of those products, including the premium cells, will be available at www.dryerdaysartstudio.com if you're in the US. Just showing a little slow-mo here for you. I'm so excited about the resin and the pigments. I think you guys are gonna love them. So definitely check them out over in my store. I hope you guys liked this quick little video of some of the new products coming out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come find me on Instagram at DryerDays. I do have a Facebook group too if you'd like to come share your work with us. That's Dryer Days Resin and Fluid Art Group. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and until next time, keep on pouring.